Okay, so I fixed the crack with some super glue and a little bit of rubber cement. Let it dry overnight, put it back in the trunk. So I'm going to test it before I put everything back together. Alright, I'm going to sit down. It goes down right away. Okay. I'm going to listen to the hiss here. Still have a little bit of an air leak. I don't know if it's still coming from there. I'm going to manually close it and listen to the leak. Okay. The air leak is very small to the point where it actually doesn't keep running. You'll see from the reservoir here. So like 4 to 5 seconds. So that'll actually prevent it from disabling this specific component. So it should be working without any flaws up until probably it cracks again or something. So you can still hear a leak. Probably the trunk latch, the hose, or the diaphragm. You know, it could also be where the lines connect into the nipples. There's some rubber seals there. Since it's been plugged in there for 11, 12 years, those seals could go bad also. That's what I'm thinking. So we'll see from here. Sweet. Okay. And those are cheap, easy fixes, so you don't have to buy a new trunk latch and spend all that money. But if you really want yours perfect, then go ahead and spend the money.